If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. XG in the mother effing building. XG just came out with In the Rain. Now, I've been asking for a music video for this one right here. If you guys don't already know, I'm excited. I'm about to see XG. Not Coachella, though. Even though I would love to go see Coachella and see them live and perform their, like, first Coachella ever, which is freaking fire. XG is doing a show in Seattle. After their first show in Coachella, they go to Seattle, perform there, then go do the second show in Coachella. They busy. They booked them busy. But I finally get to see them live, a full set. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna be there in Seattle, so if you do see me, say what's up. It's gonna be me and my girl. Yeah, we're excited. I mean, as like alphas and just like XG fans in general, can't wait to get lit, sing every word to the song. It's gonna be a good time. I tried to get the best seats I could. Shout out to Sodiu who helped me get these tickets too. But without further ado, XG In the Rain music video. I already love the song. It's body rolling. They better dance in the rain though. All I see is indoor. There better be some like rain or even fake rain, cause what's the point of the title then? What's the point of the title, XG? Anyways, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Yes. Yes. Give me them vocals.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head.
Yeah.
Head over heels, nothing to fear.
Nope.
'Cause we had each
Ooh,
other
with that
for
pink hair.
together. There was no other like this.
Like that body roll top of.
Hiding it, sliding in, baby, it's so evident. Boy, why are you stuttering?
Hold on. Harvey's talking. Ooh, we see coconut in the back too. Oh, it is wet in there. It is wet in there. Oh my God. Ooh. What a pity. Ooh. Baby. Come through. Come through. What's good? Okay, banger youngs. Ooh, okay, Korea. With umbrella and everything. Hey, hey. Ooh, okay, coconut. That side hat. Stop. Now drop. Drop that. Drop that. Drop that ass. Up.
All by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really want to think about anything. Goodbye.
Did they do a body roll already? Actually didn't pay attention to that. I'm pretty sure they did. Okay, Harvey. Ooh, oh, the outside? It's one of those. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, with the umbrella, with the choreo, get it? Ooh. You know, for a music video, it's what I expected, and they just slay each time. I love the suits, the umbrellas, of course. Okay, vocals. Ooh, like, ooh, oh. In the rain. Did she go to the flow? She went to the flow? In the rain, in the rain. Oh. Did he say who choreographed this? Of course, Jacobs, Simon. Oh, okay. Does it say composed by Jacobs Chancellor? Let's go. Shintaro Yashura. Oh, Sienna Lalau. Shout out to Sienna Lalau. Shout out to Sienna Lalau. Damn, she really just doing all the choreo for them, huh? That's fire. Yo, big up to her, yo. Big up Hawaii. I'm gonna be body rolling in Seattle. You already know. It's gonna be lit.
Sliding in, baby, it's so evident. Boy, why are you stuttering? Well, my dude's still running in.
Hit that little. Wow, watch this.
Like that. Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away.
3, 2, 1.
Left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side.
Put a comment down below what you guys think of XG's In the Rain. Finally got an official music video. I've been hearing this song here and there, going through the whole discography, getting ready. Ooh, it's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna bring my light stick. Hopefully I get some merch over there too, a little bit more. We'll see how it is. And yeah, I'm excited to see XG live in effect. I already saw them at 88 Rising last year. I was planning to go to Coachella, but I ended up not going, and I focused on just this show in Seattle. It's gonna be a good time. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now.